1 by 3 minus plus of minus 1 by 4 1 by 4 some other number 3 by 5 2 by 3 okay. Now look at here. This is the addition they are given. First one term is there inside the bracket. That we will open first. We will open first that one. Okay. Afterwards, see that look at the denominator. Denominators are different. So direct addition we can't do. So we have to take the LCM of the denominator. We have to take the LCM of the denominator first. So first I will open the bracket. Plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. 3 by 5. Okay. So what is next step is going to take the LCM. What is the LCM here? LCM of the denominators. 2, 3, 4, 5. First I divide by 2. 1's up, not going, 2's up, not going as it is here. Next 3 is will not go. Next 2, this will not go. Next 5. Is it? Now multiply 2 LCM 2 to 3 into 2 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 to 12, 5 is 60 is the LCM. 60 is the LCM. Okay. Now I have to convert all the denominator like 60 in terms of 60. So 60. Now check 2 how much is 60? 2 how much is 60? 2 30s are 60. 2 30s are 60. Multiply that 30 to the numerator also. 230. 130 is a 30 divided by 60. Yes, now it is 60. 3 how much is 60? 3 20s are 60. Same 20 you multiply on the numerator also. 2 20s are 40. Minus 4 how much is 60? 4 how much is 60? 4 15s are 60. Numerator contains 1. 1 how much is 1 15s are 50. Plus 5 how much is 60? 5 12s are 60. So 3 12s are 3 12s are 5 12s are 60. 3 12s are 3 12s are 36. So now we are converted to the denominator and with respect to the numerator. Now now we can add denominator remains same 60 only. Denominators we are not going to add, only the numerator we are adding. In subtraction and addition, we will not add or subtract the denominators. 30 plus 40, 70. 70 minus 50, 60, 55. 55 plus 36. 50 plus 30, 80, 80, 91. So we got the answer as 91 divided by 60. Okay? Okay. Next. Okay. Next. I'll take subtract. subtract. This 2 by 7 minus of minus 4 by 3 minus 7 by 6. This problem I'll take. Okay, even here also first open the bracket. 2 by 7 minus of minus is plus 4 by 3 minus 7 by 6. See students, don't concentrate on writing only. You hear the class first, notes I will send. Otherwise, you can refer the video again later and you can write the notes once again if you want this problem. Now, don't concentrate while writing. If you are solving, that's good, no problem. But always don't concentrate in the writing. Explanation also you have to hear, okay? Okay. Now, what is the LCM? LCM of the denominators 7, 3 and 6. And divided by 7 and 3 first, 2s are. Now 7 and 2 will not go by the same number, so we'll directly multiply 3 into 7 into 2. 21 into 42 is our LCM we got. 42 is our LCM we got. To convert the denominator to 42, 7 1s are 42, 7 6 are 42, 2 6 are how much? 2 6 are 12. Yes. 3 how much are 42? 3 14s are 42. 4 14s are 56. 6 7s are 42. 7 7s are 49. How much you are multiplying in the denominator? The same number you have to multiply in the numerator. Now, denominator is 42. 12 plus 56. 60. 68. Minus 49. 68 minus 49, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. So I think you understood the addition and the subtraction. Addition and the subtraction. Easy. Remember one thing, if the denominators are not same, you have to make the denominator same. With respect to the denominator, you convert to the numerator, then you have to go for the addition of the subtraction. That's all. Next we will go for the multiplication. Multiplication is easy. Multiply. Minus 4 by 5 into minus 6 by 2 into 7 by 3 into 4 by 9. Okay, now I cannot open the bracket here because if I open minus and minus into multiplication together sign comes. No need, don't open. First you verify anywhere the cancellation is possible. That's easy. Just see numerator and the denominator. If it is possible to cancel, you can cancel. Don't cut numerator to numerator. That cancellation is not possible. Numerator to numerator or the denominator to denominator we cannot cut. Up to down we can cut. Up to down. Anyone's up, anyone's down. Only in the multiplication. Understood? Only in the multiplication, not in the addition or subtraction. So, can cancel here. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Then 3 1s are 3. Here minus is there, so 3 minus 2s are. Only that cancellation is possible, meaning we can't cancel. Okay, right thing. Now minus 1, minus 4 minus 2. Minus minus becomes plus 4 2s. Numerator only you multiply now. Only the numerator you multiply. 4 2s are 8 into 7 2s are 14. That sign if we not wrote, we have no problem. Now only the denominator multiply 5 ones of 5, ones of 5 into 9. 45, 48 4 8 32, 3, 8 1 8 plus 3, 11. So the answer is this. If you don't know to cancel means directly you multiply, numerator you multiply, denominator you multiply. But if you cancel and multiply, it's easy and good. Always in maths, always every problem must be in the simplest form. That is the condition. Next one more I think. Question they may give in the improper fraction also. This is the question given. Convert the improper into proper first. Okay, improper into proper first. 4 5s of 20, full whole number to denominator multiply and add the numerator. 4 5s of 20 plus 1 21 divided by 5 into 2 by 5 into 20 by 4. As it is already now. Now the cancellation is possible. You cancel. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. You must know the correct table. 5 ones are 5 fours are. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Any other cancellation is possible? No, we cannot cancel. Then multiply the numerator separately, denominator separately. 7 2s are 14, 14 into 11. Here 5 remains only 5. 11 fours are 44, 11 ones are 11 plus 4, 15. 154 divided by 5, you can convert the answer in the mixed fraction also. Mixed fraction we have to convert what to divide by numerator divided by the denominator. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 0, 4 comes. 4 is not going. 0. Take the point and take 0. 8 successful. Is not only. Alright. This goes to one of the place 30. Denominator remains same. This one becomes numerator. I think you know how to convert the mixed fraction. It's already you have studied in your smaller classes. This is the way. Okay? Okay, now we will go for the next division. Divide. First one. 7 divides 3 by 2. This division you have already done in your 7th standard. I don't know how much you are remember. Now you see 7 divides 3 by 2. Division sign we have to remove, and when we are going to remove the division sign, it becomes a multiplication, and the second part number becomes reciprocal of the given number. Reciprocal of the given number. Remember, nobody switched on their cameras. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಂದ. Every day I have to tell her. Huh? Except Shipali, nobody on the cameras. She alone kept the camera on. ಉಳಿದವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ದಿನ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? Okay, now always remember one thing. If the denominator contains nothing means always divided by 1 will be there. If they're given or not given, always it is there. Okay. If you're confusing, you write. Not confusing, don't want to write. 7 by 1. In division, first part will not change. Instead of what the division sign, we will put the multiplication sign. When you are writing the multiplication sign, at that time only it will go for the reciprocal. You have to take the reciprocal here. 2 by 3. 3 by 2 I written 2 by 3. When I change the sign in my divisions, have to remember this one. So multiply now. 7 2s are 40. 1 by 1 into 3 is 3. This is the answer. If you are to convert the mixture, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 2 remains 14. One more I take. 7 6 by 4 divides 3 I take. Just 3 I will take. I said if the denominator not contains anything, there is divided by 1 always. So convert to the proper fraction. In proper fraction first 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. Multiplication or addition mistake is there in second time. Division becomes multiplication. 3 by 1 becomes reciprocal. 1 by 3. Now cancellation is possible, means up and down you can cancel, but here not possible I guess. You can. 2 2s are 2 17s are. Okay. 17 ones are 17 divided by 3 2s are 6. Convert to next. 6 2s are 12. This denominator remains same. Denominator remains same. 6 2s are 12. How much remains for numerator? 5. 2 5 by 6. So one more I take, last one. 6 by 7 divides 7 by 3 or 7 by 9. Okay, next step. 6 by 7, division becomes multiplication. 9 by 7. Cancellation is possible. Not possible. So 6, 9 6 are 54. 7 7s are 49. Convert to the mixed one. 49 ones are 49 divided by 49. How much remains? 49 to 54. How much gap is there? 5, no? So it is 5. Otherwise, like divide and see. What's the quotient? What's the remainder you will get? This is the method for the division, okay? Easy one, but you must know the table and you must remember the procedures. That's all. So I'm once again repeating addition and subtraction. There is if the denominators are not same, you have to take the LCM and you have to convert the numerator. Then you have to go for the addition and subtraction. In multiplication, there is no conditions like that. If simplification is possible, means simplify and multiply. That's all. In the division, there is a condition. Division sign becomes multiplication. At the same time, the second part number becomes the reciprocal of the given number. Then you have to go for the cancellation and multiplication. So this about the addition, multiplication, subtraction. Now from your exercise, reader I think you don't have, no problem. Exercise 2.1. There's some exercise questions are there. It's not difficult. Easiest one in the Roman number 1. First question no need. Second question I will solve. Little bigger one. First question you have to do. Okay. Write down there. Exercise 2.1. Second question I will solve. In the Roman number first. Second question I will solve. Next Roman number 2 is the additive inverse that you can do yourself. Roman number 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ 4th and 5th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನಾನು ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನೀವು ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೋಟೋ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಇದು. ನೇಮ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6th one, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ and do. 7th 8th 9th I will do. If today is not possible, means tomorrow next class I will do. 10th one you have to do. Roman number 1 to 6 ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. 7th 8th 9th ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. 10th one ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 11th one ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Photo I will send later. Now I will take exercise 2.1 Roman number 1 second question. Question. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Here what they have done means addition and multiplication, subtraction and multiplication together they are given. So first we will solve which are the multiplications are there. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಉಳಿದದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ and multiply first 2 minus 3 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 5 7 are 35. Next here subtraction everything like that means subtraction only. Here multiplication we will multiply 1 3s are 3 6 2s are 12. See students, if you not understood anywhere, any point, there only you unmute and tell me, no problem. A teacher is not scolding if you asked. If you not asked, afterwards if you not score the marks, then I will scold. Now again press 1 2s are 2, 14 5s are 16. Till here I think you understood. Only what I have done means only the multiplication parts I have completed. Okay, only the multiplication parts I have completed. Next, I will go to take the LCM because the operations are addition and subtraction. So I will go to take the LCMs of the denominator. 35, 12, 60. All the three numbers are divisible by any number? I think no numbers. So I'll divide by I will divide it by 6 first, okay? 35 now go. 6 2s are 6 10s are. 2 can divide. 1s are 5s are. Now 5 I can divide. 5 7s are 1s are. So going this much. Now multiply 6 into 2 into 5 into 7. 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7 is 420. So this is now 420. So 420 is the denominator. Now 35, how much the 420? Easy method is there. Just you look at here, this is the LCM. Look at here, this is the LCM. 35, how much the 420 we have checked, no? Cut the 35 from this. Cut the 35 from this. How much it means? 6 2s are 12. So 35 12s are 420. So 12s are. So multiply for the numerator also 12. 6 12s are 72. Minus 72. Minus. This is the easy method to find the table. Also. 12 how much are? 12 over. Now 35 is up. 12 35 is up. 420. So 335 is up. 3 5 is 15. 1 remains. It is a 9 1 10. This is 420. 60 how much are 420? 60. 7s are 2 7s are 14. Table you must know. Now first look at here minus right hand side minus 72 minus 105. Both are minus means we have to add and bigger number sign. 7 7 7 1 minus 177 minus 177 plus 14 plus 14 1 plus 1 minus we have to go for the subtraction. 7 minus 4 3 7 minus 1 6 1 minus greater number sign. So we will get the answer here minus 163 divided This is the answer. So this is the method. Next I said I will do next third one. Roman number third. One question I will do. I will take the second one. Roman number third, second one I will take. What they are given means verify that minus of minus x equal to x. We must verify. This is the actual question. We have to verify. X value is given. X equal to given minus 13 by 17. This. Now I have to take the left hand side. I have to take the left hand side. LHS means this minus of minus 3 minus of minus already there in the question. Minus of minus already there in the question. Again one more minus I have tried because this value again minus. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ minus 13 by 7 that is equal to x correct this is nothing but x so therefore LHS is equal to RHS RHS is what x RHS is x ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ Roman number 4. Fourth question and fifth one. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ single number they will give okay but here two numbers they are given just to do the confusion that's all nothing you multiply first you multiply given number minus minus plus 5 3s are 15 7 8s are 56 7 8 56 now you write the multiplicative inverse of this number. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. 56 divided by 15. 15 by 56 is 56 by 15. That's all. Fifth question. Now they are given minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. Again say minus minus plus 1 2s are 2 by 5. Multiplicative inverse becomes 5 by 2. I did not written here multiplicative inverse. You write yourself. Multiplicative inverse becomes 5 by 2. Reciprocal of the given number. That's all. Next Roman number 5. Property and history ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು name the property. That's all. That you do. Roman number 6 also you can do. Roman number 7 I will do. Roman number 6, read carefully and do. Okay, it's easy, but you must understand the question. Roman number 7, tell what property allows you to compute the given question. That don't want. Roman number 7 don't want. Roman number 8, 8 by 9 multiplicative inverse is. They asked, Roman number 8, Roman number 7 don't need. Roman number 8 they asked, is 8 by 9 is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 100% no. Why? Here it contains minus sign, here it contains plus sign. In multiplicative inverse, sign will not get changed, isn't it? So here plus, here minus cannot be possible. First thing is that. One more thing, you just do remember and see. 1 is 8, 10. 8 by 9, 9 by 8 is there, but the sign is different, so it is wrong. No, it is not true. No, it is not true. Because in multiplicative inverse, sign remains same. Sign remains same. So that is wrong. One more question, same type of ninth one. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? I love this. Now we have to check directly we can't say because both are in plus side. Yes. 0.3 given in the decimal form. Convert to the fraction form. Divide 10. After the decimal point digit is 10. Okay. This you will check. 3 is 9, 9 ones are 10. Divide by 3. Check this too. 3 by 10, 10 by 3. So this is the multiplicative inverse, isn't it? Yes. Yes. It's true. Yes, it's true. They are proper. Only the reciprocals they are given. 3 by 10 reciprocal is 10 by 3. Then it is true. So till 9 over. 10th question. Nothing is there to solve. 1 mark question it is. A given, write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. We must write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Which number? Any number. 4, 5, 6. Whole number. Any numbers you can write. 10. Which does not have the reciprocal. 0, 0. 0 does not have any reciprocal. Okay, answer is 0. Next, the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. Which? One number I have to write. Rational number reciprocal equal 1. 1. Second option, 10th second question answer is 1. Third question, the rational number that is equal to negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Which number? Rational number that is equal. Given number and the negative number must be equal. That is 0 only. 0 only. Okay. Next, filling the blanks. 0 has a dash reciprocal. 11th one, Roman number 11, first question. 0 has no reciprocal. Second question, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. Number 1 and minus 1. The reciprocals of minus 5, that you write. The reciprocals of 1 by x, that also you write. The product of two rational number is always rational number only. The reciprocal of a positive positive rational number is always positive only. So this is about your 2.1 exercise. Next class, representation of rational numbers on the number line. Let's see in the next class. Okay, thank you. Bye. Complete the notes and get ready for the next class. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, teacher. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
If you understood, if you have any doubt about the class, you can ask me, message me and ask me, okay?
Should we send an pick up?
Teacher,